Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Game Center or Game Mode on Vivo phone. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to use gaming mode, so let's see how can you do this. For this you have two ways. First you have to scroll down the control panel and here you will easily get the game mode or ultra game mode, gaming center option, something like this. You just have to keep a long press on it and it will open in your phone settings. But if you won't get it here, you just have to go for settings, and settings just scroll down and look for game mode. If you won't found it here, you just have to go for search settings, and search setting just search for game and then select the game mode, and here the setting will appear. You just have to enable this setting, which is game sidebar, and here you can easily select supported games as I have already selected for, and then here's the sports mode. So that's how you can easily use and set up of your gaming mode in your Vivo phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.